Yeah, hello guys. Yeah, welcome back to my channel. I'll make this qualitative analysis brief one for those who have been anticipating for the practical video before I release a full video on it. So I would love to show you guys the tests between glucose and zinc oxide. As we all know that for glucose, so mainly the powdered one we are going to be using. Are you with me now? And when we are using the powdered one for the qualitative analysis test, so is we as we all know that those are from the alkana, yeah, the aldehyde. Are you with me now? The aldehyde. So where we have different aldos under that. But as we all know that if you are using a glucose to test for anything, we should know the what the end point. So I will just make it brief for you. So I'll be showing you guys an image that shows a likely question on that particular practical. So now just pay max attention and listen attentively. So the reagents, let me say the chemicals being provided that we're going to be using. We are testing for glucose, which is the sample C, and D, which is the sample D, which is a zinc oxide. So are you with me now? So those apparatus we'll be using for this kind of tests. The first one, be stated, we have sodium hydroxide. So we can see it now. This is the likely question you will be saying. Are you with me now? The likely question you'll be saying. I will drop the picture of that. So before then, don't forget the reagents we'll be using. We have sodium hydroxide, we have silver nitrate solution, we have aqueous ammonia, and we are going to make use of phenyl A and as well as the phenyl B. So make use of the acidified potassium heptaoxodichromate, which is a strong oxidizing agent. Don't forget. And also, we are going to make use of the litmus paper. So when we look at this particular thing now, we have those two samples. If you are to test for this qualitative analysis, sample C is an organic compound. And that compound for sample C is that's glucose, which are those aldose. While sample D is an inorganic compound. Are you with me now? So to carry out a particular experiment like this, we have to take a good and well precaution because if you have to record it, don't forget we have three tables: the test, the observation, and the inference. So the first thing is that put sample D in a boiling tube and heat strongly. Are you with me now? So when you put sample D into a boiling tube and heat strongly, when it's cool, you're going to have a what? A clear solution. And again, so when you dissolve sample C in about 10 cm cube of acidified water, mix well to dissolve. So when you are testing the resulting solution with a litmus paper, then you are going to divide the sample C into three portions of equal parts. So when you did that, the first portion of sample C, add 2 cm cube of acidified potassium heptaoxidichromate there, keep it. So about 5 cm cube of aqueous silver trioxynitrate 5 and add 2 cm cube of dust, or let me say drop of equal sodium hydroxide followed by aqueous ammonia. So until you have a clear solution. Note one thing: when you heat zinc oxide, we are going to have a yellow precipitate. When it's cool, after some minutes, you have a white precipitate. So now, if we are to look at this now, when you have a sample C, don't forget you are going to divide it into three equal portions to have your products. And one thing is, on forming this aqueous solution, that is, when your sodium hydroxide is being mixed with aqueous ammonia, don't forget those two are what? Base. Until you have a clear solution. Because if you have about 5 cm cube of silver trioxynitrate and 2 cm cube of sodium hydroxide, then followed by the addition of aqueous ammonia, you are going to have a clear solution, which is going to be what? Obtained. Then mix the resulting solution with the second portion of C and keep for about 3 minutes. When you do that, the next thing is you have to add about 1 cm cube of phenyl solution A and Felix solution B into the third portion and warm gently. Don't forget I told you that for those glucose is a good reducing agent. For those of the aldehyde, the alkana, which are those aldose. Why? When being heated, that is this zinc oxide. When you eat your zinc oxide, you are going to have a yellow precipitate. When it's cool, after some minutes, you'll be having, it turns white, a white precipitate. So when it comes to this now, for this zinc oxide, I think I'll have to show you guys the silver test mirror. Though I'll be showing the video to show you guys a clear picture of what I'm saying. So for those who have been anticipating for the qualitative analytics test, this is what short and brief explanation on that. Then I'll be dropping a clear picture of how the likely question, a possible question which I'm sure or like 100% sure that you find in your examination. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share,